Hey everyone, welcome to this full guide on how to use Dropbox offline access feature in 2026. I'll show you step by step how to access your files even without internet. First, open Dropbox and log into your account on your device. Make sure everything is synced before going offline. Next, select the file or folder you want to use offline. This can be documents, images, or videos. Now click Make Available Offline. This downloads the file to your device so you can access it anytime. After that, wait until the download is fully completed. Only fully downloaded files will work offline. Next, turn on airplane mode and open the file. You'll see it works even without internet. Now, when you go back online, Dropbox will automatically sync any changes. Everything updates in the cloud. After that, you can manage offline files anytime by removing them if needed. This helps save space. Finally, on mobile, use the Dropbox app for offline access while traveling or in low network areas. So yeah, that's how you use Dropbox offline access feature in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll always have access to your important files. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more beginner tech tutorials. Hey everyone.